Most people think getting rich is about luck, winning the lottery, or having a massive salary. But here's the truth. Wealth doesn't come from one big move. It comes from small, consistent habits practiced over time. And in 2025, with inflation, new technologies, and shifting job markets, the difference between those who stay stuck and those who grow wealth is how they manage their money daily. So in this video, we're breaking down 10 simple money habits that will make you rich in 2025. They're practical, proven, and you can start them today, no matter your income level. Habit 1, pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you spend on fun, make it a habit to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a percentage of every paycheck, even if it's just 5% or 10%, directly into savings or investments. In 2025, with higher living costs, it's easy to let savings slide. But here's the trick. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you'll rarely have money left. By automating it at the start, you build wealth quietly in the background. Wealthy people treat saving like a bill, non-negotiable. Make this your number one habit. Habit 2, live below your means. One of the oldest but most powerful habits, spend less than you earn. That doesn't mean living miserably, it means avoiding lifestyle creep. In 2025, with social media showing endless luxury lifestyles, it's tempting to upgrade your car, clothes, or tech whenever income rises. But millionaires are made by those who keep expenses stable while income grows. The gap between what you earn and what you spend, that's your wealth-building engine. So every time your paycheck increases, challenge yourself. Save or invest the extra. Don't just upgrade your lifestyle. Habit 3, track every dollar. You can't control what you don't measure. In 2025, there are countless free apps that track spending automatically. Use them. When you see exactly where your money goes, you'll find leaks you never noticed. Unused subscriptions, impulse food deliveries, random Amazon buys. Wealthy people know their money like athletes know their stats. Tracking gives you clarity, and clarity builds control. Try a 30-day spending audit. It's often the biggest wake-up call you'll ever get. Habit 4, eliminate high-interest debt. Debt isn't just a weight, it's wealth in reverse. In 2025, credit card interest rates average 25 to 28%. That means if you carry a $5,000 balance, you could pay $1,000 to $1,400 a year in interest alone. That's money vanishing into thin air. The wealthy don't let debt own them. Make it a habit to attack high-interest debt first. Use the avalanche method to kill the highest interest rates, or the snowball method to build momentum by paying off smaller balances first. Every dollar not spent on debt is a dollar freed to build wealth. Habit 5, automate investments. Investing is how wealth multiplies, but the hardest part is staying consistent. That's why automation is your friend. In 2025, you can set automatic transfers into index funds, ETFs, retirement accounts, or even fractional shares of stocks. This removes emotions and excuses. You're not waiting to feel ready or time the market. You're investing consistently, and over years, that habit compounds into real wealth. The rich don't guess at the market. They set systems, stick to them, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Habit 6, build multiple income streams. One job, one paycheck, one source of income. That's financial risk. In 2025, with AI and remote work changing industries, relying on one income is dangerous. Wealthy people build multiple streams: side hustles, freelance work, digital products, investments, or small businesses. You don't need 10 streams to start. Just one extra income source, even $300 a month, can shift your entire financial picture. Make it a habit to always look for ways to add income, not just cut expenses. Habit 7, invest in yourself. Here's something wealthy people know. You are your biggest asset. Skills, knowledge, and health are the foundation of earning power. In 2025, the fastest growing wealth builders are those who upgrade their skills, especially in tech, finance, and communication. Make it a habit to invest in courses, books, mentors, and experiences. A $200 course that helps you earn $5,000 more per year is the best return on investment you'll ever find. Your earning ability compounds just like money. The richer your skill set, the richer your future. Habit 8, avoid impulse spending. Impulse buys are silent wealth killers. From flash sales to limited time offers, marketing in 2025 is designed to trick you into spending now, regretting later. The wealthy build a buffer habit, the 24-hour rule. If you want something, wait 24 hours before buying. Most of the time, the urge passes. If not, and it truly adds value, then buy it. This habit saves hundreds, sometimes thousands, a year. More importantly, it shifts your mindset from reactive spender to intentional investor. Habit 9. Network with the right people. Your financial habits aren't just shaped by discipline, they're shaped by your environment. Surround yourself with people who save, invest, build, and talk about opportunities, not just consumption. In 2025, online communities, masterminds, and networking events give you access to wealth-minded people no matter where you live. The wealthy habitually place themselves in environments that normalize success. When everyone around you is growing, you grow too. Habit 10. Think long-term. Finally, the habit that ties everything together. Long-term thinking. Wealth isn't built in weeks. It's built in years of consistent choices. In 2025, many people chase fast money, day trading, get-rich-quick schemes, crypto pumps. But the wealthy play the long game. They know $1 invested today can be $10 tomorrow. Make it a habit to zoom out. Before spending, ask, will this matter in 5 years? Before investing, ask, will this grow in 10? Long-term thinking transforms ordinary people into wealthy people. Conclusion, these 10 habits aren't flashy. They're not overnight tricks, but that's the point. Wealth isn't magic, it's momentum. Start with one habit today. Pay yourself first. Track your money, cut debt, invest consistently. Over time, these simple routines create financial freedom. Remember, small habits, repeated daily, create big results. So which of these habits will you start today? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Finance Simplified channel for more practical tips to grow your wealth in 2025 and beyond.